born to be wild. With a veil of forgetfulness, we arrive on earth, carrying unopened packages of memories past, embedded in our seamlessly fragile bodies, yet completely equipped to survive and master the earth experience. We were born to explore, experience, experiment all the wonders of the world. We were born to ascend the current existence, rediscover who we are, whose we are, where we come from, and where we're going. We were born to participate in the jigsaw puzzle of life, unveiling the pieces as we awake and activate the DNA. We were born to be wild in a world of polarity and free will. We were born to be wild.